What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome to the show, and welcome to the great state of Texas. As you can tell, we are here at a Texas 2K pre-meet, and it's absolutely popping off. There is a little bit of everything here, and it's absolutely insane. And kicking things off, we have a Mustang with a hood dump and a serious drag pack. Oh, and a new Bronco. So this event is in no way actually associated with Texas 2K, but you know, I don't think that matters too much considering everything that's going on here. I think people are gonna come here anyways. That guy's got a GoPro on his roof. Fun. Also, a bunch of Texas 2K competitors actually show up anyways. I think just about the only cars you're gonna find in this lot that are stock are rentals, because everything else here is insanely modified to within an inch of his life. Archer, f*** off.
How did you?
You have a reflection. You have a shadow, idiot. Dude, look at this. This thing is beautiful, aired out. Like I said, absolute variety. Anything from a neon green Audi with Grogu on it to a 300Z.
Hey.
Oh shit, that is actually Mater, no joke. Oh my god. Also, S14. That's nice. This is really nice. I love the wheels, I love everything about it. I very much want an S14. I want a Kooky instead of a Zenki, but like, I very much want an S14. Also, Tomei exhaust, hello. It is actually Tomater. That's hilarious. Oh, and can't forget McQueen either. I've never seen a stanced S550. Ooh, A90. Never seen a stanced S550. That looks so good. Like, I'm not a fan of stance, but that was well done. This thing is rubbing. Oh, the wrap on this. It's so good. It's got purple in it. Oh. The thing is, a lot of people are leaving. It's about 9:30 right now because ultimately we're in Texas, and you know what Texas is right next to? Mexico. And a lot of these cars are making a lot of power.
I see too many.
Oh shit! There's actually in it. Woo. Woo. There's Mini Coopers. Yo! I can't believe it. That's amazing. Hey. That's a road pirate. That is absolutely a road pirate. I don't know what to film. There's too much going on. Oh! I literally don't know what to film. There's too much going on. This thing caught my attention because that is amazing. Like, look at that. That is awesome. Hello. Sheepy Race. Sheepy Race make powerful cars. For anybody who doesn't know what Sheepy Race does and somehow stumbled onto a Texas 2K video, they make twin turbo Huracans and Gallardos and R8s, and they make like 2,000 horsepower. In case you're curious. Here. V8 swap Kooky. Yo, I smell. Yeah. So something you guys can't smell is the fuel. That thing's not running pump gas. Oh, I like that wrap a lot. Brabus G-Wagons squared. Boysteiner 720. Hey, so a word to the wise to anybody that's in Texas. If you see a truck, don't try and challenge it to a drag race, because there's a good chance it's making more power than you are, by a lot. By like a lot. That is a huge turbo. So I overheard him say that was an 80mm turbo. 80mm turbo. My turbo is 48 on my Mini. Ooh, C8. Very nice looking C8. R34. R34. Yo. Oh, that's so hot. Those wheels are beautiful. Wow. This thing is insane. Like I said, you got everything at this event. That might be a Calvo. It's not a Calvo. Nope.
Well, it's on NOS kit.
Yeah, he got gap sauce. Not twin turbo, still making a stupid amount of power and will probably beat your car. This R35 has a full carbon kit. It's a full carbon body. Something tells me this guy is going to Mexico very, very soon. Like probably tonight. He's got a flight there right now. Okay, look at the wide body on this yellow Supra versus this white one. That thing is insane. Like absolutely insane. Miata, yo! This thing's awesome. It is a build, like a legitimate build on a Miata. Like, dang, everything. Oh, I like the lights under the wing. Honestly, I love them. Remember I said the car was out to Mexico? Oh, hello, here come the bikes. Wow. Oh my. Going on? There's so many. Bro! What the heck? I could literally feel that last blue bike in my chest. That was legitimately some of the loudest bikes I've ever heard in my life. Also guys, my apologies if I sound like a complete drunk idiot. I've been awake for like 16 hours already and I haven't had any energy drinks or anything. I took like an hour-long nap. We're doing great. Whoa, that's an exhaust. That is an exhaust. I hope y'all are enjoying the video. If you are, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I've got some special exclusive Texas 2K content coming out. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Induction noise? Remember how I said Texas 2K drivers come out here to have fun? That was the Texas 2K driver. We're gonna be seeing more of him later this week. I will once again reiterate my point. Every single car here is modified in some way, shape, or form. The only things that aren't are rentals. There goes the Mini. Yeah, dude's running no exhaust. That's disgusting. I kind of hate it, honestly. I'm hearing a lot of explosions coming from every direction. So I think we kind of just are gonna go up to the front and just chill for a little bit. Also.
Was that a car?
There's so many car alarms going off because of all of it. Oh my God! Take back everything I said about that car. Take it all back. It's so loud. It's so loud. Look at how red his exhaust is. Wow! Archer, can you put one of those on your car?
Yes.
Okay, do it. What is going on? This thing's... Supercharged two-step. Somebody's alarm got set off. that's so loud. The Mustang, definitely the Mustang. That Aventador sounded insane, but I think the 5.0 took it because it was actually two-stepping and the Aventador was just kind of revving. You know, I think the 5.0 took it. Also, it helped that I could actually see the 5.0 and the Aventador I couldn't, so that might have swayed my opinion. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and a comment down below. Who do you think won, the 5.0 or that Aventador? I think 5.0, but the Aventador sounded better personally. I think the 5.0 had the better two-step. Please make sure to stick around. We got a bunch of Texas 2K content coming up on the channel. And until next time, goodbye.